Friends, it is our great pleasure explaining the treasure behind the Vedic mathematics. Myself, Siddhu Hiremat, and my son, Master Sagar Hiremat, we both welcome you to this week's video on couple more fascinating multiplication types. Hope you enjoyed our last video on how to find the product of two numbers when one of the number is either with ones or the nines. Today again, we'll see couple more interesting multiplications, that is finding the squares of the numbers in seconds. Square is multiplying the number to itself. Squaring is same as raising to the power 2 and is denoted by a superscript 2. Friends, the squaring types we are going to see here are: one is to find the square of a number when it ends with 5, and another one is to find the square of a number that is near to the base. Before proceeding to find the squares, we will see into a couple of terminologies used in our calculations here. This we have already seen under our previous video, keywords in Vedic mathematics. Given the link in the iCard, please have a look onto it. Base. To make calculations easy to best, 10 and powers of 10 are referred as the base numbers in Vedic maths. So 10 10 square is equal to 100, 10 cube is equal to 1000, and fourth power of 10, that is 10,000, are the base numbers. Deviation. It is the difference between the number and the base number. The deviation can be either positive or negative. For instance, for 112, 12 is the deviation from the base 100. Whereas for 88, minus 12, or in Vedic maths 12 bar, is the deviation from same base 100. Next keyword is ekadhika, which we have seen several times earlier. That means one more. Say successor. Ekadhika of 8 is 9. First we will see how to find square of a number ending with 5, such as 15, 25, 55, 105, and so on. It is very easy to find square of a number ending 5. Just take out the number excluding 5 in unit place and multiply it with its ekadhika, and then write 25 after it. Let a be the number we are going to get after removing 5. Then formula will be a into its ekadhika and 25 after that. Let us try to find square of 25. In 25, the number remained after removing 5 is 2. So, our first part is product of 2 and its ekadhika 3. That is 2 into 3 equals to 6. And second part will be always 25. Therefore, 25 square is 625. We will see one more example. Finding square of 55. Number left after removing 5 in unit place is 5, and multiplication of 5 with its ekadhika 6 is 30, and hence square of 55 is 3025. Okay, let us verify our answers through Vedic check for this. Bijanka of LHS is Bijanka of 55 square, that is Bijanka of 1 square, that is 1, and Bijanka of RHS is Bijanka of 3025, which is again 1, and hence we are correct. For more clarity on finding Bijanka and verifying through the Vedic check, please refer to my previous videos, which will definitely give you a lot of excitement in learning Vedic maths. ವೇದಗಣಿತ ಕಲಿಯುವ ಮಜಾನೇ ಬೇರೆ. Friends, hope you are clear in finding a square of a number ending with 5. Let us try to find square of some more in mind. Square of 35 will be 3 into 4 and 25 after that. So it is 1225. Square of 85 will be 8 into 9 and 25 after that. So it is 7225. Likewise, square of 65 will be 4225. Similarly, square of 105 is 11,025. Square of 115 is 13,225. And 42,025 will be square of 205. Thank God. So such a simple it is. Friends, now we will see finding a square of number near the base. Formula used here is add the number and its deviation from the base and write square of the deviation. Let n be the number and d be the deviation from its base. Then formula will be n plus d and d square after that. Simple, right? We will see with examples. How to find the square of 107. First observe the base. Here it is 100 because 107 is near 100. So its deviation is 7. One more important observation we need to look into is second part in the formula should have same number of digits as many zeros in the base. This we will see in the next example. For now, first part will be 107 plus its deviation 7 equals to 114. Second part is deviation square, that is 7 square equals to 49. So answer is 11449, that is 11,449. We will see an example with negative deviation. Let us try to find square of 98. Base here is 100 and its deviation is -2. Say 2 bar in Vedic maths. So first part is 98 plus -2 means 98 minus 2 equals to 96. Second part is -2 square equals to 4. But here we write it as 04 since base 100 has 2 zeros and we are supposed to make it of 2 digits. Therefore, square of 98 is 9604. Friends, for the sake of clear understanding, we will see couple more examples. Let us try to find square of 112 and 987. Observe carefully here. The base for 112 is 100 and 1000 is the base for 987. So for 112 square, first part is 112 plus 12 equals to 124. And the second part is 12 square, which is 144. For 987 square, first part is 987 minus 13 equals to 974. Second part is minus 13 square, which is 169. It is supposed you know the square of 12 and 13 here. If not, you can use the same formula to find square of 12 and 13 as both are near the base 10. Moving on to next step, observe carefully. Second part in 112 square has 3 digits, but base 100 has 2 digits. So 1 in the 100 place has to be carried to the first part, which becomes 124 plus 1 equals to 125. So Answer for 112 square is 12544. That is 12,544. Comparing it with second part of the square of 987, it is 169, which has 3 digits. Here we are not carrying over 1 in the 100 place as base 1000 has 3 zeros. So answer for 987 square is 974,169, that is 9,74,169. Okay, now we'll have some exercise here. To find the squares of a number through two types of methods, just now we studied. Let us try to find square of 95, 105, 85, 115, 75 and 125. Friends, I request you to pause the video for a while here, find the squares of the numbers in the exercise and keep your answers ready to compare. We have a table here to show arriving the answers in two different methods we studied. Column 1 has the number for which we are finding the square. That is our question. Column 2, finding solution using squaring the number ending with 5. Column 3, squaring a number near base. Base is 100. Column 4, we have the solution. Observing column 4, we are arriving to the same solution in both the methods. Wow, what an easy way for the calculation. Phenomenal. Can't imagine the height of knowledge His Holiness Jagadguru Sri Bharti Krishna Tirtha Ji has. Being a man with master's degree, masters in science, mathematics, philosophy, history, Sanskrit and English is just an example. Me, along with Sagar, thank you for your valuable time. Your subscription to the YouTube channel, likes, comments on the topics covered, and sharing it with your friends, colleagues, relatives matters a lot to us in the forthcoming videos. Friends, hope you are loving learning. Thanks a lot.